Here's how to play Spotify while playing Roblox. Now, if you're playing Spotify, let's turn on a song. Let's just say some of today's top hits. You'll be able to see if I hop out of here, it is currently playing that song. But let's say I wanted to keep playing that song while I'm in Roblox. As soon as I open up Roblox, you can see it dies out. And if I swipe down from the top right, it doesn't allow me to turn Spotify back on. It just says Roblox overlay here, and it doesn't work. Now, to get this to work, we first need to go into a game in Roblox. So let's open up a game, for instance, Steal a Brainrot. So tap on that and hit play. And I'm going to turn this over so that you can see a bit easier. Once that loads, we're going to change something in the settings of the game while playing it so that we can listen to music. From here, at the very top, that microphone, if that is turned on, make sure to turn it off so that there's a little line through it. And tap on the Roblox icon at the top left, and then go to Settings. From here, it says Voice Chat. Make sure to disable this. So turn this to Disconnected. Basically, you're going to disable the voice chat, and that will allow you to listen to music. After you've done that, let's hop out of here. And really, the only way to do it is to put in some headphones, some AirPods Pro, wired, wireless, or any other headphones. Essentially, once you put those in, they have a play pause button directly on the stem of the AirPods. So I can hit the play button here. And then while I'm in the game, it will essentially be able to start playing that music. If I hop out of here, open it up, hit play, and then I can go back into that game there and listen to the music just by pressing the play button on the stem of my AirPods or anything like that.